how to make your boss pay attention to you? So show them that you care for them, right? You care for the company. So care doesn't mean that always nagging all around them, wishing all the time, good afternoon sir, good morning sir, how are you sir, had lunch sir, like how's the work going on. So this care doesn't mean that you keep nagging the person and you keep saying sweet words or being a people pleaser. Care is actually caring about the company. So how do you do that? Take an initiative to talk about the particular client or the particular project, right? Suppose you have some advice or you have some suggestions to give, so feel open to give. Don't feel yourself demotivated or don't feel that okay, boss is in the higher pedestal and he knows better than me. Don't enter into that inferior zone thinking that okay, I'm nobody to tell him he knows better. So what happens is when a person is clouded with a lot of information, sometimes the creativity is lost, sometimes the focus doesn't go to the real solution of a problem. So talk about a client or a client meeting which really went bad and you could not or maybe somebody in the team could not close the deal with the client. So talk about the strategies which you think can be implemented to make it better next time, right? So talk about a client, talk about a project. Number 2 is, whenever you are in a meeting, ask meaningful questions. So ask meaningful questions whenever you are in a meeting, so that that discussion leads to something meaningful and something deeper understanding of people. So always be ready to share your opinion, which is the third point. So third point is always share your opinion, right? So many times what happens is, like, maximum of my clients have these self-confidence issues, like in the meeting, even if they are a team leader, they are managers, they are so hesitant to put across their opinion. They feel that it's okay to not to speak and not to give your opinion. So be a speaker, guys, be a speaker, and the moment you get a chance to speak, just take the initiative and speak. Don't ever lose a chance to speak, right? So when you're a good speaker, it shows that you have very good leadership skills, right? So always share your opinion, give your opinion, and always be present as a speaker, okay? Be vocal, because otherwise if you have a lot of technical skills, you're so much experienced, you have a lot of certificates, you have a lot of competencies, this all will stand as an obstacle in front of you, because you're not opening your mouth, and that's the reason your impression is bad in front of the higher ups, and that stops you to move ahead in your career. Now when you are a good speaker, maybe you get a better chance, maybe the boss thinks of giving you better responsibilities, giving you some better role, because he feels that you are perfect for the managerial position, or you are eligible for a higher promotion because you have good leadership skills, you have good speaking skills, so that you can manage the team under you, right? So always remember these 3 points. If you want your boss to notice you, if you want your boss to pay attention to you, be a good speaker, care about the company. That's all for today. See you again.